Nigerian comedian skit maker Shank, whose real name is Adeshokan Adedimeji Emmanuel, had an unforgettable moment in the United States when he saw footballer star Cole Palmer play live for the first time. Shank, who is popular for creating funny videos and bringing famous streamer Kai Cenat to Nigeria last year, was super excited at the stadium. He joined other fans in cheering during the match and couldn't hold back his joy when he spotted Palmer on the pitch. In a funny video shared online, Shank shouted in excitement and even made a wild joke by saying, "I will give you my sister and mother," all because of how much he admired Palmer. When a fan pointed out that it was strange to mention his mom, Shank laughed and quickly corrected himself, saying he would give only his sister.
I want to see Cole Palmer score. Cole Palmer! I love you! I'll give you my sister! And my mom! I love you, Cole Palmer! Kisses! Mwah!
Oh, I miss it. Oh my
God. Yeah, I'll give you my mom. Oh. Okay, Cole Palmer, not my mom, just my sister. Love you, Cole Palmer. Mwah!
Fans reacted to the video with mixed feelings. Some thought Shank went over the top, while others found it hilarious and said they would act the same way if they saw their favorite stars. One fan joked, "I would do worse if I met Cristiano Ronaldo." Others said Shank is just enjoying life and using every chance to entertain his fans. After all, he's a content creator, and funny moments like this would help grow his platform. This isn't the first time Shank has gone viral. In another video, he shared a sweet moment where his mother took public transport just to bring him food. This clip has touched hearts of many on social media. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.